In Renewable Energy Technology Laboratory, now we are going to see the experiment on simulation study on micro wind energy generator. So here the aim is to study and simulate and study the working of wind energy generator using MATLAB Simulink software. So once again here the MATLAB R2020 version has been used for simulating the wind energy system. Here is an wind energy system which is now available in the recent version as an inbuilt block. Here the wind input meter wind speed is given as input and reactive power reference, which is initially 0, is given as input. And here I will be having an subsystem which will be seen in the MATLAB. So as usual, when you are going for a MATLAB, so here is a Simulink library. So once again in power generation, there are many inputs like wind turbine. So you can add this to a new block. So I will be creating a new block and I will be creating the wind generation into the new block. So here the wind turbine. So we can see here the input of the wind turbines are generator speed, pitch angle and wind speed. So I can change this parameter and the output will be the torque. So here we can see the nominal mechanical output power, base power of the electrical generator, base wind speed, maximum power out at base wind speed, base rotational speed, pitch angle. So these can be seen here. And this is the characteristics of your wind turbine characteristics. So for here is an turbine speed versus turbine output power. So here we can see for a 6 meter per second what is the waveform characteristics, for a 7.2 meter per second what is the output characteristics, and 8.4. Here 1.2 is the per unit value of maximum power, that is 12 meter per second, and your beta value is 0 degree Celsius. So the maximum power at the base wind speed we are setting, right, that is 12 meter per second. So likewise for each based on the speed of the wind turbine, so the output will be here. We can see that. So this can be analyzed by using the simulation diagram. So here I have an as a wind energy generator. So wind speed and reactive power has been given as reference, and in that I have a subsystem where the wind turbine, that is pitch angle, wind speed and everything has been given as input. And here is a generator. The output of the wind turbine is given to the drivetrain. So here the generator speed will be given as input and the output is the torque. So the output has been subdivided into maximum power generated, generated power, reactive power and output voltage, DC voltage and the pitch angle. So I can see the different parameters by using a bus bar. So this is a simple experiment by which we can see by changing the wind speed what will be the characteristics of that. So that I here each wind speed will be having, we can vary the different wind speed and we can note the characteristics of the wind turbine power, how the mechanical power output power has been changing based on their nominal generator speed.